know you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me.
Happy Sunday, everyone. Hope everyone's doing good. I just want to come on here and show y'all my bag that I'm going to be using for the next couple of days. And it's this cute bag right here, the Nanette Lepore bag that I hauled in a couple of videos ago. And this is the name of the bag. And it's in the color of olive. So yeah, she is so cute. And she did come with this little purse right here. So yeah. So I just add this little scarf on here. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And so in here I just have my ear pods. You see in here. All right. So let's see what I have inside. Here is an overview of the inside. Okay. All right. So let's see what's in it. First thing I'm going to pull out is this cute little coin purse that I got in Burlington last year. So cute. I like how it looks, the little furry look. And I do have change in here. I also purchased this little card case right here. It's so cute. Has a place in the back for your driver's license. And it came with this little wristlet that you can put on your arm if you just want to run the store hands free. So yeah, so I like this. So I purchased this. And it does have a card slot here, and then it has another slot here, and I just have some cash in there. But yeah, so cute. And it matches the little bag on the outside, the little charm right there. Okay, I have my wallet from Mud, and it just housed my other cards that I have that doesn't fit in there, and that doesn't fit in this. So yeah, just a basic wallet, card slots and everything. So yeah, and that is it in the front. So now in the middle section, in the middle section in the pocket, I don't have anything. I didn't put anything in there. Okay, moving on to the back pocket. This is the phone case I will be using since it had the green in it. I have my LOL tissues. I have my little notebook. I have my Barbie hand cream in Berry Scented. I have my hand sanitizer, and this is white tea and sage. And then I have my cute little pouch right here, and inside here, I just have some breath spray, no water toothbrush, expandable towel, feminine wipe, alcohol wipes, lens wipe, hand sanitizer, and this is the makeup removal wipe. And that's it in here. Okay. Next, I got this cute little pouch in there. I thought it went good with the little yeah, that thing. Charm, purse charm. Inside here I just have my makeup, my lip gloss. This is Crystal Gloss by Ruby Kisses. I got from the beauty supply store. And this is OPI, and this is cuticle oil. Beauty Intuition lip balm, and this is in donut. And this is Lip Spec lip oil. My blotting sheets, my nail kit, my Coach mirror, like a butterfly. Looks like that when you open it up. And another lip balm, and this is, let's see what kind. This is vanilla. Okay, so that's all that I have in here. And then in the back pocket back here, I have some strawberries and cream Tic Tacs. Have some flossers, some vitamin drops, and ginger candy. My extra set of keys, and my Tylenol and Benadryl. So yeah, that is it. That is all that I have in my bag. Okay. So I'm gonna get everything set up, and I'll be back so you can see the end results. Okay. All right. Be right back. All right. This is everything that I had in my bag. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to welcome you to the Sassy family. So until next time, everyone have a good Sunday. Bye.